Can I put you on hold? TRD John just walked in. What are you doing in town?
So Black Friday's here, and I was just curious if you guys are gonna have any deals and stuff, because I've seen all month that, you know, Sherpa, Prince Soup, shopping around and stuff, they already have deals going on.
We are gonna have a sale. We only have a sale once a year, and it only takes place on Black Friday. But it's something that we built our brand on. It's been built on the quality of our products and not the discounts on our products. So we decided this year we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna do, instead of doing 5, 10, 15 and tiered discounts, we're gonna do across the board 20% for everybody so they all can take advantage of the discounts. So we know giving back to the community and the people that are out there is very important to us, and we wanna be able to do that this Black Friday.
So I have a few questions. If I already purchased something though from you, but now you're having a Black Friday sale, can I get the discount still?
Absolutely, we could refund you, but it's a 3.5% fee by the credit card company. And then it's wherever you place your order for Black Friday, that's where you fall in the queue. It could be as far as February or March is when your order gets processed, just because of last orders and the previous years and how far it's put us out.
All right, cool. Well, that all sounds good. I'm super excited about the sale and the quality of products, I think. So I think I want to move forward with the Black Friday deal.
All right, John. So if you want to place an order on the 28th, okay, midnight, it's midnight, 12:01, you can place your order there.
All right, cool. Thanks, John.
Yeah, great seeing you again, John.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah,
Appreciate
talk to you soon.
Oh.